Good morning and welcome to a day in the life of a Jamaican diver.
Can I break this hold from you? It would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living all I've made up. I need to wake up.
How are you this morning?
Just wake up.
That's what it's all about, bro. All times of the day. This is it. This is the day in the life.
Get out of my face.
This is the day in the life. All day.
Can't let it leave bananas on.
Tom, say hi.
Yeah.
Tom.
You've got 10 seconds to get out of my face. I'm gonna shove this where you don't want it to be shoved.
You right, mate?
It's getting ready.
Continue on State Route 45 for 2 kilometers.
I'm not having this. Let's go to hip hop. 2 + 2 is 4. -1 makes 3 quick maths. Every day's man's on the block. Smoke trees. Feel the girl in the park. That girl is the uckers. When the ting go crack, 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 you man are ducking.
How many I know the words of the song now?
That's the thing. That's the thing. You see it when they like have it in a club. Everybody's singing along. Everybody. And this is like the day after it came out. It's insane. Unreal. Just sauce. Raw sauce. Yo. Oh. Yeah. The team goes clap, 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 pap, pap, pap. Skibby dip, pap, pap. And the boom, 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 boom. From where we're staying in Gold Coast, it's like a 40-minute drive to Brisbane to where we train. A bit of a long one because people are going to work this morning, a bit of traffic, especially when you're following slow cars as well, like this one.
Here we go, Lewis Hamilton style.
Oh Jesus! Wow, wow, that was just intense. Oh my God.
I could be a Formula 1 driver.
The thrill of that. Careful, you might not get us straight. We gotta get to training safe, though. We gotta get to training safe. I love driving on roads like this. We don't really get them very often where I'm from in Leeds, but in certain places around the country you get little roads, like single carriageways, where it's just windy all the way through the trees. In the punno it's kind of hectic, you know. The acceleration of the punno is just insane. Hopefully we'll make it to training safely. I'll cross our fingers.
It's nice knowing you guys.
This could be the last vlog ever.
It's been a good life while it's lasted.
This could be the last one. We made it. Oh mate, how you feeling? No, it's not allowed.
I'm feeling great, you know.
I'm gonna rate myself like a 1 out of 10. I think Dom's probably about a 2 out of 10. But now we're getting in the outdoor pool and doing some outdoor diving. So
Beautiful sunny day.
Wake up. Wake up. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living all I've made up.
session done. Time to go get brekkie. Freckles are coming out on George's face. Look at it.
up.
Take a look at the camera. Look.
No.
Look. Freckles are coming
I'm
out.
mad about it. I don't want to talk about it.
She's really upset and she's burnt a little bit as well. Dom worked hard as usual. You beast. Arvo session is done. Arvo, you like it? I said Arvo, not afternoon. Arvo. For all the British people watching who don't understand Arvo, it means afternoon. Session's done. Dom absolutely killed it. Emily had a good session. You did nice. What was it? In with 3.5?
Yeah.
Good in with 3.5? Yeah? Good stuff.
We'll be right back.